Are you in that fabulous phase of life where your clothes fit differently by hour two? Your face breaks out like a teenager while your neck thinks it's time to wrinkle, and you suddenly have the resting tolerance of a fire alarm? One sneeze, and you're questioning your bladder's loyalty? And don't even get started on your ability to tolerate noises like chewing, clocks ticking, birds chirping. It's all too much. You used to be chill. Now, you're one lukewarm comment away from launching a full internal tribunal. If your body feels like it's running an update it didn't ask your permission for, welcome to the thrilling roller coaster of menopause and perimenopause. The good news? BHRT might not fix your group chat or your in-laws, but it can help rebalance your hormones so you can stop side-eyeing your microwave reflection and start feeling like a human again.